Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Origins Honey Charcoal Face Mask review. Initial review. I haven't tried it out yet. I just got it in the mail from Influencer, and I'm going to open up the box to show you guys exactly how it looks inside. It comes like this. It says Origin Be Purified Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask, and it says it is new. Let's take a selfie with us. And this is how it looks in the box. It says 2.5 fluid ounces. And I'm going to open up the box to show you guys how it looks inside. The packaging looks like this. One is outside of the box. And it actually does look like this. It actually does look like clay. And it smells kind of like lotion. And the texture is very slimy. It's not like hard like regular clay that you put on your face. It has like it says, it's the bee honey, so it has like kind of like a honey feel, like a slimy feel to it. And I will try it out for a few days and I'll come back and give my updated review, but this is just the initial review and the initial opening of how it looks. It feels like it's gonna feel good on my face. Origins is like a good brand. I researched the brand. I got something from Influencer before from them. It was like some eye cream and some kind of like primer or something, and the eye cream was like $40 retail value, which is crazy. But yeah, this is exactly how it looks. So thank you guys for tuning into my video. There was the Origins Honey Charcoal Face Mask initial review. I will come back later on after I tried out the product to show you guys and tell you guys what I think about it and how do I like it. Thank you for tuning into my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to sign up for Influencers, I'll leave the link down below. You don't have to be a YouTuber or anything like that, and you will get free samples to try and give your honest review on their website. So thank you guys for watching me. Bye.